Next, we're going to go through the full hip complex. We're going to start with the fire hydrant. So just imagine a dollar being on the fire hydrant. Use your left leg. So all the way up. So it's going to come angled slightly back to the back of the room. Okay? We're going to do 10 reps there. As soon as you're done with those 10 reps, you do 10 reps on the left, 10 reps on the right. For you guys today, we're going to go ahead and do a forward circle. So go ahead and put your leg down. When we go forward, we're going to go backwards. So you're going to step your leg backwards, up and around, big circle. Again, we do a lot on the hips because the hips become very tight. Most people are sitting all day long. Okay, then you kind of enter your pelvic tilt. The glutes don't work. Okay, so we stretch the hip, get it loosened up, we stretch the glute, we activate the glute. Now we're further activating that whole entire hip complex. Okay, so I'm going to do a backward circle. So we're going to bring our knee to our chest, out to the side, and back and around. Again, these three exercises in this complex are going to further open the hip up, work on that mobility, which is essential